Hey, hello again. So this quick tip video is going to go over force, mass, and acceleration. So here's all the equations you're going to use. This symbol, F sub g, that's how you write it. That's not multiplied by g here. That's like a note, okay? That's a subscript. It just means this is the force due to gravity. So force due to gravity, that's weight, equals mass times gravity. Mass equals force due to gravity divided by gravity. These don't cancel right here, okay? This is a subscript. This is actually the variable. It's confusing, sorry, but this is physics. We also have force equals mass times acceleration. Hey, these two things are the same thing, okay? This is just a special case down here where gravity, the acceleration due to gravity is used. This one's used for weight. And I mean, this is the equation that's also down here. This is just a special case where we tell you what the things are. Okay, so what you're going to do is you have to say what's given in this scenario. We break the problem down. So part one is just one problem. This is the same problem here, same problem, but we're just asking you to do each box separately. Say what you'd put in that box. I think it makes it easier. You can disagree with me if you want. Send me an email. And then you're going to do another problem down here. Another problem, but this one is on a basketball rolling, okay? And it asks you what is the mass of the basketball. So this is going to be a problem like that. I'll go over some examples here in just a second, okay? Same problem. We're just asking you to identify the different boxes you go across. Hopefully you see that pattern. And then you'll have, I should have called that should be part 3. I need to rechange that. Here's where you're going to do, find the weight, F sub g of a monkey, okay? Hint. And it's going to ask you to, again, find the weight, F sub g of a monkey, and it's on Neptune, where gravity is 11.15 meters per second. Okay, so you're going to do 3, I believe 3 mass equals force times acceleration problems. Now, let's go over here, and I did some examples for you. Okay, so let's make some notes. Okay, so a bowling ball is rolled with a force of 30 newtons and accelerates at a rate of 5 meters per second down the frictionless bowling lane. What is the mass of the bowling ball? So example problem here. So we were given the force, we were given the acceleration. Here they are with their units. We want to find mass. The variable we use for that is m. The formula, force divided by acceleration. Okay, so you can get that from the top of the quiz, or not quiz. I keep on saying quiz. Retake. Right here, all the equations are right here. So you just find which one you're trying to find. So in that problem I was just doing, we're trying to find the mass of something. So we use the force divided by the acceleration. Is that right? Or did I say the wrong thing? Yes. The force divided by the acceleration, which is 30 newtons divided by 5 meters per second squared, would be 6 kilograms is the unit for mass. Okay, similar process down here. When looking at Michelle has a mass of 50 kg. John and Michelle are ice skating, and John pushes Michelle across frictionless ice. Michelle accelerates at a rate of 2 meters per second. How much force? So we're looking for force. Here's what we were given. The formula is mass times acceleration. So 50 kg times 2 meters per second is 100 newtons, because newtons are the units of force. Let me scroll down here a little bit. Okay, we also have one where we're calculating now for we want to find acceleration. So we're given a mass. We had to add those two mass numbers together. We're given a force. We divide those two, the force by the mass, to find acceleration. Answer was 4 meters per second. This was in your review, okay? So this is how to do it. You can go back and you can pause this video, look and see how things are done, kind of pick things apart if you need to. The last part, where you're calculating weight, okay? Weight is F sub g. It's really hard to type. It is F sub g, and gravity on Earth is 9.8 meters per second. Gravity, though, on the planet we ask you to find is different. So here we have mass. The equation to find the mass is mass equals F sub g divided by g. So the F sub g is the weight, okay? The rock's weight, 1,050 newtons. So 1,050